VECHAIN's breakout at the time of this recording is just getting started, and this is playing out after bouncing on a key area of support above the 0.027. We have also managed to break above the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, flipping it back into support. And on today's video, I will be discussing an Elliot wave structure that is playing out here on the charts, give you my breakout target areas, and above all, discuss my long-term price prediction analysis here on the VECHAIN chart. And starting the video here on the daily chart by first giving you my long-term price prediction analysis, you can see that from the lows that we made last year in June, we saw a very nice bounce to the upside in a move that gave us a high this year above the 0.055 to 1, in a move that I'm terming as an Elliot wave count 1 to the upside. And after we picked in that Elliot wave count 1, we started a bit of a breakdown move in an Elliot wave count 2. And the minimum target areas for this second wave were given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the lows that we made in 2023, that is in June, to the highs that we made this year above the 0.055, giving me a minimum target area for the second wave between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, which perfectly lies between the 0.03417 and the 0.02925, which is an area that we have now fully maximized. And after losing the fib level 0.618, my next target area lies above the fib level 0.78, which perfectly lies above the 0.02224. And having fully maximized this target area, there are high chances that we have now bottomed out in this Elliot wave count 2, and in the next coming months or maybe weeks, we should easily start another aggressive bounce to the upside in an Elliot wave count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave down there to the high of that Elliot wave count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies above the 0.08794. And after we pick in that Elliot wave count 3, I will be expecting a pullback in an Elliot wave count 4, then continue gearing up even higher in an Elliot wave count 5 in a move that should easily get us back above the 0.1 in the next coming months or maybe weeks. And that is what I'm expecting on the long term here on the VECHAIN chart. And getting back to the 1-hour chart to now discuss my short-term Elliot wave structure that is playing out, which I started to track on the 5th of July. After we saw a massive breakdown move, we saw a very nice bounce to the upside where we first peaked in this Elliot wave count 1. Then we saw a bit of a breakdown move in an Elliot wave count 2. Then we saw a very nice bounce to the upside in an Elliot wave count 3 over here. And on my last update, I gave you the minimum target areas for this breakdown move in this Elliot wave count 4 by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the second wave to the high of that Elliot wave count 3, giving me a minimum pullback target area for the fourth wave between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.382, which is an area that we fully maximized, and at some point yesterday we lost that target area, giving us a deeper pullback to the fib level 0.618. And at the moment I'm still considering this as an Elliot wave count 4, though I didn't expect that we are going to lose the fib level 0.5. So at the moment, I'm still expecting that this is still an Elliot wave count 4, and in the next coming hours, we should start another bounce to the upside in this Elliot wave count 5, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that Elliot wave count 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of that Elliot wave count 3, giving me a minimum target area for that Elliot wave count 5 at the fib level 0.618 as the first target area, which perfectly lies above the 0.03679. And the moment we manage to break above that, then the fib level 1.618 will be my next target area, which perfectly lies above the 0.04149. So that is the price action that I'm expecting here on the VECHAIN chart for the next coming hours. And for all that to play out, we need to continue holding above support at the 0.027, see a bounce, break above resistance at the 0.03213, and also see a break above the significant high we made above the 0.03389. So those are the significant key areas that we also need to pay attention to for the next coming hours, for us to get confirmations that we are in that impulsive move to the upside in this Elliot wave count 5. So that's all for this video, and I hope to catch you on the next one.